we are going into hot girl hibernation, which basically is a period of time here in winter where we focus on ourselves, our self-care, weight loss, and transformation so we can emerge as our absolute best selves this summer. Hi guys, my name is Jane and this is Station Jaya, and on this channel we talk all things looking and feeling your absolute best, skincare, health, fitness, transformation glow up, all the fun things, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the fun. I am so pumped for the video today because we are talking all things transformation and specifically weight loss during the winter. Recently, I heard another influencer here on YouTube, Jazz Turner, talk about hot girl hibernation, and it completely resonated with me. I thought it was so cute. Basically, while we're inside a little bit more this winter, we're in the house, it's cold and rainy outside, and we are bundled up in our chunky sweaters and our big jackets. This is the perfect time to dive into our self-care and fitness routines, and if we will start now, we will be unrecognizable come summer. We have about 4 months until summer rolls around, so stay committed and totally transform with me in the next 4 months. Let's get this transformation and weight loss train rolling out of the station. We will be breaking up this video into 3 parts today. Part number 1 is setting your baseline. Part number 2 is plan of action, and part number 3 is mindset and affirmations. Part 1, setting your baseline. I always like to start off these kind of videos with forgiveness first. Before we're able to succeed with this weight loss journey, it is so important to forgive ourselves for getting here in the first place, for failing even if it's been 1,000 times before. No one on this earth judges us more harshly than our own selves. But in order to win, we need to give ourselves the grace and commit once again to this journey. The most important thing is never ever to give up. And I'm so proud of you for being here, and I'm proud of me for being here. So let's get started. Okay, my loves, there will be a few numbers we will need and a few calculations in order to define a tailored plan of action for this hot girl hibernation. It's our current weight, our body mass index or our BMI, and also our total daily energy expenditure or our TDEE. Finally, we will need our height in inches. So go ahead and just Google your height. I'm 5'6", which translates to 66 inches. The goal here is to understand exactly where we are starting from, identify what is the healthy range for us, and understanding what our calorie deficit should be moving forward in order to help us get from where we are now to where we need to go. First things first, we're gonna have to weigh ourselves. I know, not the most fun, but totally necessary. I like to do this first thing in the morning when you have used the restroom and you are naked like the day you came into this world. This should give you the most accurate weight, and then you can weigh yourself every day just to see where you are and keep yourself on track. I like to pick a day like Wednesday for a weigh-in Wednesday to check my progress. Of course, I will be updating you here on YouTube, but make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I will be posting more content day to day and share all things hot girl hibernation in real time. Now it's time to calculate your BMI or body mass index. This is the number that will tell you if you're underweight, if you're healthy, or if you are in the obese category. I have a fancy scale that does it for me, but there are 1 million totally free BMI calculators online. And of course, I will include one in the description box down below for you guys to use. My personal BMI is approximately 33%, which firmly puts me in the obese category. Yay, but this is hot girl hibernation, and this is a health journey, and this is exactly what the doctor ordered, because if you are my BMI twin, then that's exactly where we are going. We are going to the doctor constantly and for so many things that we don't want to go for. I'll be sharing all my stats in just a minute, but make sure you are jotting down your numbers as well. We will need them to make an accurate TDEE or total daily energy expenditure. Your TDEE is the number of calories your body burns per day. So in essence, let's say a person who has a TDEE number of approximately 2,000 can eat approximately 2,000 calories per day to maintain their weight. If they eat more calories than that, they will gain weight. If they are eating less calories than that, then of course they will start losing weight. See, the math is mathing. Again, there are so many free TDEE calculators online, and of course, I've linked one in the description box below for you. I'm starting with a weight of 205 pounds, a BMI of approximately 33%, and a TDEE of approximately 2,600 calories. And according to the table I found on the CDC website, you can see this puts me, again, firmly in the obese category. A normal healthy range for my height should be about 118 to 150 pounds. Therefore, my goal weight should be approximately 150 to 155 pounds, which means I need to lose 50 pounds. Now, I'm not putting pressure on myself to lose 50 pounds in 4 months, but taking any step in the right direction is going to be amazing. Take a moment to figure out your stats and let me know where you are in the comment section of this video. Make sure you're also supporting the rest of the members in the comments too, because this is so much easier together. Okay, my gorgeous dolls, we have made it to part 2, plan of action. Our plan of action is going to be super simple. In order to be actively losing weight, we should be aiming to consume at least 500 calories under our TDEE number. This is called a calorie deficit, and my aim is to be anywhere between 1,800 calories to 2,000 calories max. When I think about that, that's a ton of calories. That is a really healthy amount of calories, which is about 600 calories per meal. Most chocolate chip muffins are about 400 to 450 calories. That with my cup of coffee, totally doable. But is that something that I want to do? Not sure. I do want to focus on health, but it's nice to understand that I can have those foods and still be in a calorie deficit. Do you even know what you're consuming day to day? Herein lies a little bit of the homework. I highly suggest logging your food in a free calorie counting app like the MyFitnessPal app to get an idea of what you're eating day to day and making sure you are in your calorie deficit range. And in a week or two, I think you'll have a better understanding of the calorie content of the things that you are eating on a daily basis. And then you just have to spot check here and there for certain meals. You can always just Google the calorie or nutrition content to get an idea. It's totally doable. A really great thing to do this time is to have a few simple go-to meals that you know fit into your calorie range and are just ready to go for you. I like having an English muffin in the morning or a skinny bagel with some cream cheese, an egg, and some smoked salmon, and a cup of coffee. And I know that it comes to 510 calories. It's delicious, it's filling, I feel satisfied, and I don't feel like deprived of anything. If you are my calorie deficit twin, let me know if you want me to make what I eat in a day video. You can get some fresh ideas, and I myself love watching those kinds of videos. For the next 4 months, you guys, let's focus on healthier choices and let's be serious about it. Understanding we are not restricting, we are just reducing. Maybe swap out your maple syrup for honey or cut your rice with cauliflower rice to get more for less calories. Eat 1 large slice of pizza and pair it with a large salad instead of having 3 slices of pizza and not being able to stop yourself. Try a zoodle instead of a noodle. And in 4 months, you guys, we will be unrecognizable, and I just cannot wait. Again, let's keep things super simple and be mindful of the healthier choices. And above all else, let's try to remain positive, which brings me to part 3, mindset and affirmations. Guys, I'm not going to pretend that losing a significant amount of weight is a walk in the park, but you know what? For the next few months, let's just say, let it be easy. I read a book recently by Susie Moore called Let It Be Easy, and I highly recommend it. It's how we constantly tell ourselves that things are extremely hard. We're always framing things in a negative light. And if we just shift our minds, maybe we can just let it be easy. Instead of saying things like, oh my God, I can never lose weight. Losing weight is just so hard for me. How about releasing that story and just letting it be easy? Instead, maybe try saying things like, oh my gosh, losing weight is really easy for me. I'm constantly losing weight. I'm shedding this weight off of me and it's amazing without trying. Anyway, it's a great and easy read. I actually listened to it on Audible on my way to work, so you can check it out there. And of course, I'll link it for you below if you want to check it out. Left to its own devices, our brains are destructive little sabotaging S-talkers. But we're gonna hack the system by reframing our thoughts when they start leading us down the wrong path. And we are also going to support each other every single day. So please make sure to be back. I will be doing a lot of different kinds of videos on this to keep us motivated for this weight loss journey. The second things start going left and you start going down that negative path, I want you guys to recite the following affirmations. Losing weight is really easy for me. I'm in a hot girl hibernation and summer is my big reveal. I'm actively losing weight. Today is a weight loss day. I love healthy food. I look and I feel amazing. My body loves shedding excess weight. It's easy for me to lose weight. I am always committed to my goals. I never let myself down. I have 20 amazing affirmations that I'm gonna be leaving for you guys in the description box below. Make sure to copy and paste them into your notes app on your phone so you can easily access them whenever you just need that little extra bit. Sometimes when I park somewhere, I read the affirmations out loud because I'm alone in my car. Who cares? Nobody's looking at me. And I'm telling you, I feel so much stronger and I feel so much better after I do. Okay, we made it to the end of the video, but we are far from done, as this is just the beginning in a long playlist of hot girl hibernation videos. We will be doing weigh-ins, we will be doing eat in a days, we will be doing hygiene videos, all things to get us tight and right for summer, because as you know, a summer body is made in the winter. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.